Welcome to SolidWorks Master CAM CNC Learner. Today how to make spices ball by SolidWorks. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, New, Part. OK. Now go to front plane, then sketch. Now at first draw the sketch. Select. Now give the dimension. This line dimension 200. Now this line and this line dimension degree 120. Now this line dimension 15 and this line dimension 10. Okay. Now this line and this line dimension 40. Okay. Now go to fillet. I can fillet 20. Okay. This line fillet 5. Okay. This line 5. Okay. Now they are roughly different. Now this line, click and select change. Now go to offset. I can offset 5. Okay. Now go to this line, this one and this one connect. Again this point and this one connect. Select. Now go to feature and reverse. I can reverse this line. Okay. Now make our ball. Now this plane sketch. Go to normal roll and draw the center line. Select. Again. Center line. Select. This line make construction. This line make construction. Now go to slot 3 point. This point click and this point click and this point click. Select. Now give the dimension. This point and this line distance 65. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 110. Okay. Now again this point and this point horizontally 60. Okay. Now this point and this point 40, 40. Now these are dimension 280. Now these are 40. Okay. Now they are fully defined. Now go to this slot, click and select chain and go to circular pattern. Okay. Now they are under defined, so we can move and this point and origin point connect. Okay. Now they are fully defined. Now go to feature and extrude. We can extrude direction to 20 or 25 as well as. Okay, now you can make there are circle, select and give the dimension 130. Okay. Now go to extrude. I can extrude direction change 25. Okay. Now I can fillet 10, fillet 10, fillet 10, fillet 10, fillet 10. Okay, now go to shaded tools. Okay, now go to shell, click and shell 1. Okay, now make our job. Species ball make, you can use salt, yellow as well as. Now go to use material, edit materials. Now go to plastic, there are many types of plastic. We can use PF plastic, like. Okay. Now make our job. We can use any color as well as I can color as select the color part. We can use any color as well as. Okay, we can use this color. Go to isometric view. Now make our job. Thank you all. Everybody share and like. If you have any comments, you can write comment box. If you have any question, you can write comments. Everybody must be like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.